your screens, we can see here the statistics for the first set. And the Lady Bulldogs leading in the attacking department, 14 points against only 11 of USLS. And NU fared better in terms of their blocking. Of course, we have very tall blockers here for the side of the Lady Bulldogs, so hindi po nakakapagtaka na nagdo-dominate sila sa blocking department. But if you notice, actually what made it for the Lady Bulldogs is the fact that USLS had 6 unforced errors.
Wow.
So that's basically a lot. In all other areas, hindi naman masyado nagkakalayo ang differences ng kanilang percentages or statistics, but it's the errors really that has cost USLS the first set.
And kung pagbabasihan natin yung first or elimination round meeting nitong dalawang team na to, no, talagang malaki na ang pinagbago agad. Because USLS won that in straight sets. Ito, first set pa lang,
the Lady Bulldogs, yes, is dominated. That's right. But probably the Lady Bulldogs are they're really very intent on getting this one. Mas marami na rin silang yung mga almost had it eh. Yung mga past few games, I think, like the one when they played against Ateneo.
Yeah.
So yun yung mga tipong they almost had it, but well, the best is it good enough.
For that,
yes.
For that game. And
so ngayon, pagkakataon nilang bumawi.
Off of the block, dug up by Gonzaga. He set it up to Orendain, picked up by Vivas.
Dapat once again, good angle there.
Liza Mandabat getting some help from the net. Gets that point and ties this second set at 2-all. And the Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies, more thrills, the Mikasa MVA 300.
So good service from Santiago. Good coverage from Reyes. And dapat once again covered by Vivas.
Oh, he did not able to go. Oh, she does. Well, what a dive and what a save from USLS.
And the crowd surely appreciates that. Maizo! Santiago was there. Good save from Vivas.
Wow.
And Maizo calling for it again. And they give it to her.
Wow, Orendain finally getting the point. And you can see Maizo really give it her all. Look at the crowd here.
Well, she was actually asking for it, you know. You can hear that she wanted that one.
Pero yung unang lakas eh. Yeah. Si Vivas parang nagulat na lang at dumiretso.
But we have to give credit also to Santiago.
Oh yeah.
For defending her spot. Malakas lang talaga yung palo ni Aiza Maizo na hindi niya talaga na-control.
Nice sequence right there. Ooh!
Triple block.
Aplaska getting that block against Cherry May Vivas. And it is the Lady Singer's turn to get their block going.
Now we can see payong na payong eh, no? So let's see the adjustment now for the Lady Bulldogs. Tables have turned. USLS is now in the lead.
Ooh! That's the worst net violation if I ever saw one.
Spider-Woman. Sumabit na net eh.
Parang net ng lambat ng huli ka.
Nahuli.
Orendain with the serve.
Good strong services there from Orendain. The Lady Bulldogs are actually having a hard time receiving it.
No touch from the block. That ball floated to the outside. That was Aplaska. Now USLS with advantage. 5-3 here in set number 2. Good reception. Getting a block.
Single block from Cherry May Vivas.
Bumawi agad. Binawian agad si Aplaska. Single block. Look at that. Cherry May Vivas reading it pretty well. Nag-wave sa kaliwa, no?
Kitang-kita niya kung saan dadali ni Aplaska.
Aiza Maizo.
I think, that's also one advantage of being a left-handed spiker. Because you're used to seeing somebody spike, using the right hand. So medyo pagka left-handed na malilito ka na because of course iba na ang trajectory or iba na yung dadaanan ng bola.
Talagang dapat yung blockers ay nice from Nepomuceno, but Maizo was right there. Vivas asking for it. He gets blocked by Moralde.
Nepomuceno off the block.
Making her presence felt is Nepomuceno. Hingpit giving out the signals. Tinatago. Kita niyo naman, oh, ginagamit yung uniform
para hindi makita.
To hide the signals. I never did try that.
Ang laki pa naman uniform ng panahon mo, no? Hindi na kailangang itago kasi maluwag yun.
Mayayabang kami, talagang pinapakita ko. Ito yung play namin, ha? Abangan nyo. Tamo?
Sumayabang ka talaga.
Imbis na itago, pinapakita pa.
Ganun talaga, ibig sabihin, ganun kakagaling na setter dati. Kahit ipakita mo pa sa mga kalaban mo ang play,
yun.
Kayang-kaya nyo pa rin pala sa dati.
Hindi alam iba ibig sabihin.
Hindi yung traditional na signal sa ganun.
Whoops! And there you have it. Bianco and Nepomuceno got confused in that first touch, and it is the Lady Stingers now up ahead by 3, 8-5.